Global Xpress is the first high-speed broadband satellite network to span the world. Faster, more secure with unrivaled reliability, all from a single trusted provider. We've invested $1.6 billion to develop the most advanced Ka-band satellite service for land, sea and air. And how are we doing it? The first Global Xpress satellite is now live, covering Europe, the Middle East, Africa and Asia. The second will cover the Atlantic Ocean region, and the third, the Pacific. Global Xpress, powering global connectivity. Operating with a combination of fixed narrow spot beams to deliver those higher speeds, and steerable beams so additional capacity can be directed in real time to wherever it's needed. It's maximum connectivity combined with maximum mobility, meeting the high-speed, high-volume needs of customers. Fleet Xpress powers the smart ship revolution, taking operational efficiency to new levels. It delivers higher speeds through more compact terminals at a lower cost than existing VSAT services, while high-bandwidth multimedia applications enhance crew welfare services. Fleet Xpress offers an unprecedented level of availability, integrating seamlessly with our existing fleet broadband network. We live in a digitally connected world, and we expect to tap into that world no matter where we are. Global Xpress delivers communications that go further, faster. One high-speed network, one trusted provider, one seamless global solution. Global Xpress, changing the future for us all.